back. It's been a while, but just for an update, we're gonna look at the new vertex shocks. We're gonna look at the fender I got repaired, and yes, it was repaired, not replaced, sadly. And you can tell right away that don't line up right, so I'm going back to fix that. But the main thing I'm here for today is that's a rough country vertex kit for the four-wheel drive F150, and they're in a four-wheel drive. So I'm gonna tell y'all what all had to go into this to get this done. Initially, they went ahead and dropped the coilover all the way down, pretty much giving it the shortest ride height. And top of that, next thing they did was leave the stock factory block, which is like, I think, a 2-inch block, or yeah, I think it's a 2-inch block. No, it's a 2.5-inch block, factory block. And instead of dropping it to a 2-inch, so it can sit level, I actually like it like that. I think it's better that way. But there's a big problem. And I mean, if you guys ever put a four-wheel drive kit on a two-wheel drive, you know the front ends ain't the same. So clearly you look like, man, bro, you need an alignment. As you can see that camber, you know, like I look like one of them Japanese slam vehicles with that excessive camber like that. So I went ahead to go get an alignment, and they said they can't do it. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I just need to get some, you know, camber adjustment bolts. Good. Not sure. I actually got some, for example, but just to give you guys an understanding of how bad it is. That's how bad it is. -2 degrees. Like, that is way out of range. Right? So that's horrible. As you guys know, that is horrible. So I'm trying to make a decision. There's a few options that I've been just thinking of. I can get an actual good set of these camber bolts with adjustment. You know, you're riding this thing and you adjust them, and that might give me that extra bit. I don't know if it'll give me 2 degrees. They also make some for the upper control arm, which I really don't want to do without pushing out. You know, pull it towards me a little bit, just a little bit. And then, you know, what I heard, when I say I heard, what I read, that you can literally put a nut in between the spindle to give you that difference in terms of the spindle. And I've been looking everywhere. I can't find anything that says the four-wheel drive knuckle is different than a two-wheel drive knuckle, or if it's taller, etc., anything. I can't find nothing like that. I'm just showing y'all around the vehicle. I know it's been a while since I got an update. But yeah, once I can get that figured out and then get this alignment done, I can finally do a true review. Because right now I love these shocks, man. I got the lift. They ride essentially the same as stock did. It is better than my level. I can't lie, it is better than when I had a level. But I really got to figure that out. So hopefully you guys can help me.